me as I talk about yung mga chismis sa school. Muna English ha, mamaya ano pa ako. Don't worry, wala naman masyadong Pilipino sa school and they're probably not gonna see this. Last year, nasaraduhan kami ng mga locker, yung mga pang sports. Yung mga sinasabi daw, kung ba't daw parang nasaraduhan yung locker room namin kasi meron daw sa loob. This was during the day, like, they had no shame at all. Literal, napasukan na sila pero hindi sila nag-stop. Nalimit yung use namin so hindi kami pwede pumasok sa loob. Diyos ko, kahit yung ibang mga school, alam na din na nangyari to. Last year ulit yata to and may nagsabi daw may nabuntes. Yung babaeng nabuntes, she was only 14. Nung time na yon 14 lang din yung boyfriend niya. Kahit ngayon, hindi ko alam kung ano ginawa niya sa bata. Did she keep it or did she get an abortion? But rumor has it, nagpa-abort siya. Sabi daw kasi, nag-transfer daw siya out of state so wala na talagang news about her. Hindi to rumor ha, pero natatawa lang ako kasi tanda ko, somebody was telling me that there was like a full-blown barbershop inside the men's bathroom. Surprisingly, this did happen. Tapos nakita ko to sa lahat ng mga stories sa Snapchat. It started off as a rumor, pero feeling ko totoo na to. Man, yung typical na red flag, di ba? May kausap dyan, may kausap dito. No, this guy had a full-on girlfriend, pero ang dami daw niyang kausap sa DMs. Nalaman ng babae, pero alam niyo yung ginawa ng babae. Babae, wala siyang ginawa. They are still together till this day. Tapos hanggang ngayon, he's still cheating on her. Akin yun talaga, sobrang gaslighter. Like, I don't know what she sees in him. Sa school ko, merong designated bathroom. Every time I go near that bathroom, feeling ko yung amoy na suntok na ako sa mukha. Tanong ko lang, ganito pala yung mga chismis sa Pilipinas. Kasi wala na akong updates. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakausap isa kong kaibigan sa Pilipinas. I ended up talking in English, pero sana na lang di nila masyado maintindihan. Yeah, I'm done.